What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap video. In this video, I'll be going over Thursday, February 26, 2026 price action. This video will probably be pretty quick. It was a no trade day. And as you can see here from the New York AM session, all we literally did was just dump with no retracements. So today's video will probably be pretty quick, but yeah, let's just get right into it. So go to New York Open right here. Okay, so starting out with the bias and draw of liquidity, like always, TradingView is showing this when it shouldn't be. Yeah, we weren't trading right here. We were probably trading closer to here. Okay, never mind. Let me just go back to the lower time frame. Okay, so right at market open, as you can see here, we had a lot of low resistance liquidity. This is also a 4-hour, a 1-hour, and equal lows and Asia low to the downside. So I was relatively short-term bearish to this area. And then we also had London, and this was also a 1-hour. I did also mark that up. So I was relatively bearish towards this area on the chart. From there, I would be bullish towards this relative equal high with this new day opening gap. And then also on the higher time frames, for like a more external draw, you can see this level of buy side liquidity was relatively equal with this 4-hour intermediate high. So I'll show you that. So this high and this high are relatively equal. So that's more of external draws for longs. And then the short draw was immediate to that 4-hour, 1-hour, and equal low that I just had right here. Oops. Okay, so what do we do at market open? Again, looking for something like this maybe, or looking for something like this. Something like that, if you guys can get a rough idea of what I was looking for. So at market open, we hit the 1-hour, still going down, hit this point of interest where I was looking for longs potentially, but as you can see here, I didn't get any structure that I like to look for a long, and then we were still slowly just starting going lower and lower and lower. So this is the point in time where I was trading, where I looked at the chart on the higher time frames to identify this 1-hour gap that maybe we can be bullish from. That'd be like the lowest point I'd want to be bullish from. Or if we were to create like 5 minutes and 15 minutes and retrace and then go to the 1-hour, I'd be open to that. And then also basically the same situation with the 4-hour. You can be bullish from here, but it's just so unrealistic, or you can take continuation shorts to this 4-hour. So back to the 1-minute time frame. Oops, it skipped ahead. But as you can see here, we just trickle down nearly 500 points, taking the 1-hour right here and taking the 4-hour, and I had no retracements to take continuations towards these draws, and then obviously no mech model longs from here after you dump 450 points. So that's basically what I was looking for and how I played the market today. So honestly, yeah, I'm just going to keep this video nice and short. Comment down below how you guys handle market pumps or dumps. This is personally what I saw and how I treat it, but probabilities of a trade playing out after we dump over 450 points is super low, so just hop off the charts. But dang, this video is going to be super short. Yeah, you guys get the gist of what I was looking for. I will see you guys for the next trade recap video. Have a good rest of your day. Don't get FOMO and take shorts when we're just dumping with no retracements. Peace.